are getting late. I think we shall run and catch our flight. But he says, I can't understand what is written on this clock. These are some another type of numbers. Do you know what are these numbers called? And what are these? His friend says, yes, I will tell you in flight. You are right. We shall go and catch the flight. Then I will tell you everything about it. He says, okay, we shall go. Then they go to catch the flight. After they catch the flight, he says, now will you tell me about these numbers which we saw on the clock? His friend says, yes, I will tell you. These are Roman numbers. There are only 7 Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3 till 9 are Hindu Arabic numbers. They are 10. Do you remember? We don't say it like Elizabeth II. We say it like Elizabeth II. He says, okay, that's why we write it as Elizabeth 2 lines. But what that 2 lines mean? Don't you remember as we studied before? This is the number 2 in Roman numerals. He said, yes. Oh, yes. This was a Roman numeral. Now, do you want to learn the rules about it? His friend says, yes, I want to learn. His friend says, okay, I will tell you. See, any bigger number, from any bigger number when a smaller number is ahead of it, it is added to that bigger number. If any smaller number is at back of that bigger number, it's subtracted by it. Then there is the third rule is we can repeat 1 means I, 10 that means X, 100 that means C, 1000 that means M. We can repeat these numbers, but only 3 times. 5 which means V, 50 which means L, 500 which means D can never be repeated. The 5th rule is that 1 can only be subtracted from V and X. That means 1 can only be subtracted from 5 and 10. The 6th rule is that X can be subtracted from L, C and M only, which means that 10 can be subtracted from 50, 100 and 1000. 7th rule, the last rule. There will be more, but now we will concentrate on these rules only. C can be subtracted from D and M, which means that 100 can be subtracted from 500 and 1000 only. His friend says, okay, I understood. Will you give me an example? His friend says, yes, I will tell you example of Statue of Liberty, where we are going. Yes, tell me. On the Statue of Liberty, in its left hand, there is a book. On it is written July 1 V M D C C L X X V1. His friend says, but what does it mean? He says, I will tell you. His friend says, I will tell you. He says, yes, tell me. His friend says, July 1 V means 4. V is 5 and V minus 1 from it. It became 4. July 4, and then M means 1000. D means 500. C and C means 200. 1C means 100 and second C also means 100. L means 50. X and X means 20. One X means 10 and another X means 10. So they become 20. V1 means 6. Now we will add all of them. It becomes 1776. Oh, it's the Independence Day.